I have now finished making our linen closet from the old furnace room. So what I have done is, we'll look inside first. Up in the attic, I've plugged the roof. I've plugged the hole that the chimney used to go into the attic. It's now got insulation on top of it, a piece of plywood and drywall up there. I put drywall all the way around. The old furnace used to go all the way over to the edge here, so I had to build this little bit of a wall. On the floor where the ductwork used to be, it is now plugged with a layer of wood, then insulation. There's actually a layer of cement in there too, another layer of wood. On top of that again, there's plywood, plastic, some vapor barrier, and then laminate, so it all matches to the old floor. Did baseboard, of course. We installed the door. We painted everything white inside. We added these shelves. I know the shelves should go downwards, but if I put stuff on here, I don't want them to fall off. But if we ever want to replace, or not replace it, but change it, all I have to do is undo the screws in the back, and these will come right out. So that's done. Door is on, nicely closes, and obviously we've added the trim. So I think we did pretty good, and we even gave this a nice coat of paint to match the rest of this living room. So it's all finished. Hopefully anybody that watches this video is happy with what we did. It took a couple weeks off and on. But this should give us a lot of room now to put some blankets, towels, pillows, that kind of stuff, and who knows what may be on the floor. Bye!